हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है। আমার यूट्यूब চ্যানেল তোমাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত। I am Megha Ghosh, in short MG, and you're watching MG Styles. So today's video is a lingerie guide video. So I'll be suggesting you styles that you can wear underneath all of your dresses without your straps showing. And there are some questions like what to wear underneath when you're wearing sleeveless, tops, or lining of the pant is also visible in certain pants. So what to do in that? So all these questions I'll be solving today.
I will only show you two pieces bikini shirt. Two pieces only bikini shirt. Like, okay, excuse that. So I'll be showing you only two pieces that will suffice your, you can wear it under all your dresses.
So let's get started with the video. So the first product that I have is a wired bra. So this is the wired bra. Why is the wired bra? Because here we'll see they have a wire, right? So it comes with a strap as well. It comes with like a transparent to plastic straps, and you can wear this without straps. So for the dresses which are sleeveless or cold shoulder, with this is the type of bra that you should wear. So this wire, this gives us support, so you can wear this without the strap as well, and this will go with those outfits like the sleeveless dresses or the off-shoulder dresses, and you have this, and this will go mostly with all of your dresses. But if you're wearing very backless, like it's only backless, so that in that case I think the only option is to go for nipple tapes. Otherwise I don't think like this will go. So otherwise this will go with almost all of your outfits without any issue, I believe. And this one I got from Westside. Westside has really great lingerie, so if you have a nearby store, you can definitely check their lingerie section. I think they have the best one. So this one cost me around 1,000 rupees. I don't remember the exact price, but it's something around 1,000 or 1,100, something like that. And the quality is superb. Like, it's very comfortable, and this is also having a satin kind of a finish, and this is very good quality. I will also try to link a similar product in the description from Myntra, I guess. You can definitely check those out. And yeah, so I think this will solve all of your problems when you have, like, when you're wearing deep necks, or you're wearing when you're wearing sleeveless or backless. But if it's too backless, then as I said, you have to nipple tips is the only option. I don't own one, so you can definitely check on Flipkart, Amazon. They have nipple tips. You search it, and I think that will go with two backless. But I don't wear that backless, so I don't own one. If you want to wear straps with it, then they also gives extra straps with it. Those are the transparent straps, and you have the place to insert it. So yeah, you can also use it with a strap, without strap, as it goes with you. And I think this, and see, this is also very broad. It's really good quality, as I told you. See this, can you see the material? It's very comfortable. It's very comfortable. So I will definitely recommend your Marks and Spencers also have very good lingerie, so you can check that Marks and Spencers also. But it's a little bit expensive than Westside. So Westside may like medium range, maybe average range, and also they have higher ranges, but they have really good quality. Usme set bhi aata hai, they have sets of 3 at a lower prices, and also they have higher prices. Marks and Spencer mein bahut acha they have lingerie. And you can check other apps like Lovia, Jivami. They also do have good lingerie options. Another big question comes when you wear trousers, or very close fitting pants, which are not of jeans material. So usme kya hota hai, when you wear it, it's very, it hugs your body. So if you're wearing panties under it, and that is like having those lining, usually what happens, there's a thick lining, so that is very visible, like, so that is visible through your pant, like it's very thick, so visible hota hai, which we don't like usually. So I have got a solution so that you don't have to go commando. Yeah, so you have to go with seamless panties. So you go and you ask, like, there are staffs who work, so you can ask them for seamless panties, and this is the one that I'm talking about. Can you see? See, I'll tell you the matter. See, can you see? It's all very slim. See, that thick lining is not there, right? So these are called seamless. So this will not give you that problem when it comes to usual panties, right? So again, you see the material. I got this from Westside as well. Yeah, Westside me, I got it. And one thing is, I got both of this from the same brand, and it's called Wunder Love, not Wonder, WNDER, Wunder Love. So this is a brand that I got it from, and you can see it's very good quality. It's very thin, perfect for wearing under those tight pants. This one costed me 500 rupees, and you have this one set and it will go with you can wear it like occasionally when you're going out. Like normally you don't need all of this, but especially with pants, just my linings, it shows. If you're totally fine with it, then it's fine, but many people don't like that thing with showing up. Obviously that looks bad, and it's very comfortable as well. The quality is very, very comfortable. You can definitely give this a shot. Again, I will say better if you go to Westside and buy. Otherwise I will link down below some seamless panties, so you can definitely check the links in the description box. And yeah, so this is a two pieces. If you have, I think most of your problems will be solved. And this too totally works fine with me. This goes with most of my outfits, and whatever I wear, this goes perfectly with it all out. So you can definitely try this too, and I hope your queries are solved. And if you have enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please go and subscribe. Another thing is, the reason for this fancy eye makeup is because I just shot another video, so for that is this eye makeup. So yeah, just saying. And if you want some kind of videos, then you can definitely comment, and I will surely try to make one. So that is it for today's video, and if you have liked today's video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. वो घंटी भी बजा देना so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah, we'll see you guys soon in my next video.